Welcome back. So the other day I was working on a project that my little grinder just couldn't quite handle. The disc is too small, and I couldn't get through what I was trying to do. The bandsaw that I have, just too slow. So I've been looking at one of these for a while, and they happen to be on sale, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and get one. So what we have here is the Hercules angle grinder. It is for 7-inch and 9-inch. I haven't even got a chance to open it. So we're going to go ahead and open it here now. Start it up, try it a little bit. And then I'll be showing a demonstration on the other project that I'm working on, which will be in another video. So, as I said before, if you enjoy these kind of videos, please give this one a thumbs up. If you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, it'll notify you every time I upload a new one. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. See what they include with it. It's supposed to have a grinding disc, a 7-inch. So, let's see what we got. Alright, packaging seems to be pretty decent. I did have to go through and look at several of the boxes whenever I was there to pick this one up. Some of them were already open. The box was crushed on one end. So you do have to watch and look to determine, pick out the best one. So we got the owner's manual. By the way, this is a 15 amp. Says it's 4.5 horsepower and runs at 6,500 RPM. It does have the trigger handle on the back. Well, there's the 7-inch grinding wheel. Looks like this is going to be the 9-inch shield. That's a pretty big shield. Here's the 7-inch. Now these are supposed to be quick remove. We're going to take a look at that and see just how easy they are. Looks like this is going to be the base for down there, maybe. I'm not sure. We got our wrench. Now, if you guys are anything like me, I don't hardly ever use these wrenches. You don't have to make these things stupid tight, because all you'll do is make it harder to get in and out or change over to your different things. So now it did say something about maximum vibration control. Now, I don't know if you can really see in there. The way this is designed, it looks like it should have a little bit of flex, which will help, especially with the larger grinding discs. Does look like it has a pretty decent size cord on it. Let's get this spun off here. Yeah, the cord's pretty long. I don't know if it says on here how long it is or not. Cord length, 8.5 feet, is what they claim. Alright, so just for a little bit of a comparison here, this is a 4-inch, or 4.5, sorry. This is a 7-inch, And while I was there, I picked up a 9-inch also. So that gives you a comparison if you're interested in getting one of these and you have to order it instead of having it or being able to go to the store and pick it up. So this is what your typical one on the little grinder looks like. This will accept both 7 and 9-inch. That's a pretty big disc. Set them to the side. Let's see here. It does have a lock. Now it looks like it has a little bit of oil. Probably due to the shipping. There it is. We'll stick this on. Now you can hook it on the left, the top, or the right. I usually always have mine on the left to hold it like that. Now you gotta push forward on the trigger, the lock, and pull in. And then if you push it like that, it locks it. Alright. Spin this off. So I have one of these, but that one also fits. I'm not sure. Alright, so I also got some cutoff wheels while I was there. Because that was the whole purpose of me buying this. These are 7-inch. That's what the bigger piece is for. So you gotta take this one off, put that in there, and then that'll hold. And there you go. So let's see how easy these are. Now I'm going to be using a 7, but to save myself some time, I'll put the 9 on first and then take it off and put the other one on. Now you got to loosen it like that, and there's lines or notches. So right there, and then just spin it around, lock it in place. There's a large notch and a little notch. Pretty self-explanatory. Same thing with this. Line up the long or the wide notch and the narrow notch. Spin it around. Lock it down. Put that on. That on. Now they have a raised side and a recessed side. The raised side will not get tight on here. So you got to put the recessed side down. As I said, I typically don't use these, but due to the size of this machine, I may. Because you don't want to make them tight, because it'll crack this. If you've ever had one of these explode, it's not good. It's definitely got some weight to it. You can do this and turn it. To get in better angles, however you want to do it. Let's go ahead and plug it up. One thing that it did not say that I was kind of curious about was the soft start. I don't know if it has a soft start. Now, for any of you that don't know what the soft start is it slowly speeds up the engine, or slowly speeds up the motor, so you don't have that sudden jar, real quickness. I'm going to say no, it does not have the soft start. It's pretty fast. Again, take this, push forward. Other than that, it seems like a pretty decent machine. Time will tell on the longevity of it. Other than that, I really don't have a lot to say. If you would like to see this machine in action, please check out the other video that I have coming up soon. Really all this was just an unboxing. So, again guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like this, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell icon. That'll help notify you anytime I get new videos up. So until next time, have a good one. Be safe out there.